Hi guys, welcome to my channel where we talk about how to make money online. Happy New Year. I hope you've had a great time over the holidays and now crossing over to 2022. So today we're going to talk about how to make $10 per day doing very simple tasks. Before we go on, remember to subscribe. You know, in this channel, I teach you how to make money online. So you want to be around for this and more of such videos. So let's head to my laptop. So guys, Picoworkers is the website that will help you earn $10 per day. You can earn more or less, but there's a potential of earning $10 per day. I know this may not be very enticing for everyone, but for example, if you live in Kenya, $10 is 1,000 shillings per day. That means if you work every day of the week, let's just say approximately 20 days in a month, that means you'll earn 20,000 Kenya shillings. That's not bad, especially if you don't have any other source of income or you just want the pocket change, you want this extra money, it will work for you. So to get to this site, just click on my link in the description box below or just type in picoworkers.com. I'll go straight into explaining how you can actually earn from Picoworkers. So there are advantages and disadvantages of working with Picoworkers. So I'll get to the first. Okay, there are 4 advantages that I pointed out. The tasks are very easy because I'll show you what tasks you'll be doing, like signing up to websites, as I said before, and taking surveys. Very simple tasks. Then you don't need experience to do these tasks. They are just very simple. Anyone can do them. You don't need a degree or any academic qualifications, and you can actually use your phone. I think that's one of the best parts about working with Picoworkers. You can use your phone entirely. You don't need a laptop to work with Picoworkers. But there are disadvantages. The payment for the tasks can be quite low. They are quite low. You can get one task that pays $1, but that's not very common. Most tasks are less than $1. The clients pay less than $1. You can actually get most tasks. You'll find that they're less than even 10 cents. So yeah, it can be quite low. The payment can be quite low. Then it can be time consuming because depending on the task that you pick to do, you can take a long time to complete it. So you have to choose wisely. I'll make another video explaining how to make the most money and how to maximize on your time and earnings on Picoworkers. Then some clients may actually refuse to approve your tasks. That's unfortunate, but I'll give you a solution to that in the next video also. So how do you make sure you get paid your earnings? Watch to the end because I'm going to explain that. The tasks you'll be doing: signing up to certain websites, taking surveys, writing honest reviews, writing articles, sharing and liking YouTube videos. There are many tasks. You can also upvote posts on Reddit. There are many tasks that you can do. How do you create an account? I'll show you. Creating an account is very easy. Click on my link in the description box below and then sign up. And these are the details you'll need to put. Write your name, your real name. Use your real name because this is a website where you will get paid. So you need your true information. So don't write a fake name. Write your email here, your password, and then confirm the password. Then a nickname. Now this you can write any nickname that you want to come up with. Then select your country. And here, don't write false information here. Just write your country. And then this has already been clicked. I'm a worker, but there's no problem because when you're inside your account, you can actually switch from a worker to an employer. And then click on the button, check this box that you agree to the terms of service. Then you can accept to receive emails or not. It doesn't matter. Then you click on sign up. And it's as simple as that, guys. You're ready to start working immediately. Okay, they will first send you a verification email, which you will click on, and you can start working immediately. This is how the Picoworkers website looks inside. When you're inside your account, you have a list of jobs. You see, like at this point, there are 778 jobs available. You can choose jobs depending on the category that you want. Like this gives you options of, like, if you want to do jobs related to Telegram, to signing up to websites, data entry, video marketing, etc. Then there's a payment here, payment range. So if you don't want low paying jobs, you can just move this bar here, and maybe you want only 5 cents to $1. Then when you click on apply, you'll actually get only jobs that pay that. And you see, you have just a few that are paying a bit more than $1, you can see, but most are less than $1. Then you can select according to location, and yes, that's it. So how much can you earn? I actually tried this, and you've probably already seen it. Let me show you. Here, as you can see, I've made $1.13. I know that's not a lot, but I just did, I think, 2 tasks because I wanted to try out the website. I like trying out as many of the money making techniques I teach you about on this video, on this channel. So I tried this out. You may wonder how long it took me to get this $1. It didn't take me long because I was about to do my writing. As you know, my main gig is freelance writing. So before doing that, I just got in, signed up, and did 2, I think there were 2 tasks. And by the next day or 3 days later, they had approved my tasks and I got this money. So you can actually earn this in a very short time, but it depends on the tasks that you will choose. And now I said I'll tell you how you can make sure you get paid from your earnings. You have to follow the community rules, guys. Don't try and be crafty. I've written 5 here, but there are other rules, but these are the key ones that you have to follow. Don't use VPN. Don't do work on country jobs that are not from your own country. Then don't create multiple accounts. Don't purposefully submit incomplete or fake proofs, because the client won't pay you. They will just see that this was fake or it was incomplete. So it will just be a waste of your time. And don't use shared or public Wi-Fi. I'm not so sure how that works, but it was in the community rules, so I think it's best to stick to that. Is Picoworkers worth your time? So from my assessment, yes and no. If you don't have any other thing going on and you're not about to get any other money making strategy going on, it can be worth your time, for the extra cash that you will get, or for the only income that you'll get if you don't have anything else going on. But if you have many other gigs going on and they take up a lot of your time and they earn you more money, then no, it may not be worth your time. So that's it, guys. If you want to get into to work on Picoworkers, doing the simple tasks, just try it. But just know this is not going to make you a millionaire. This will just give you a bit of money, but in the process, you will get an opportunity to earn, something. And in the meantime, you will learn many other ways of making money online, which I teach you in this video. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel because I'm going to share with you more money making videos in 2022. All the best, guys. Be blessed. Bye.